Hi, all dear beloved aspirants who are planning for a career transformation in the domain of cybersecurity. It's a warm greetings from SkillzRevo Academy, NASSCOM training partner. We are a globally recognized training institute trying to take the upskilling initiative across Pan-India, Middle East, GCC countries, UK, Africa, South Asia Pacific, America, and many more other regions as well. My name is Arunava Mukherjee. I work here in the capacity of Head of the Department, Academics and Admission. I do always recommend that do not ever negotiate on your learning curve. Do learn all single topics, whatever is your career aspiration is. If we talk about cybersecurity, say for example, SOC L1 analyst, that's a very easy job profile to get into this particular field. But you should also remember that only by monitoring the SIEM tools, maybe Splunk, maybe Wazoo, only by analyzing some security alerts and some detecting the malware, some phishing attacks, creating some incident reports, documentation, which usually are the KPI and KRA of a SOC L1 analyst. But be informed, SOC L1 analyst, that job profile is getting elevated and merged with SOC L2 analyst. Now that's a bigger accountability. So you should also learn equally vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, security analysis, network security, GRC, advanced cryptography, all kind of threats and attacks, man-in-the-middle attack, DOS attacks, DDoS attacks, phishing attacks, so that as an outcome of the program, you will be having that competitive edge over others. Clubbed with that, we will provide you the virtual labs with lifetime access, Mises, Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, Burp Suite, Hydra, Opalizer, an endless list of virtual labs we are going to provide you so that your hands-on experience that you can do during this entire tenure of 9 months, that is the actual duration of the Advanced Cybersecurity and Threat Management Program. So by doing that, you will not be restricted to one specific job profile. Instead, you can apply for SOC analyst, network security engineer, cyber forensics expert, security analyst, VAPT analyst, ethical hacker, pen tester, a long list. There are multiple job descriptions you can explore globally. Join SkillzRevo Academy so that we can train you, we can equip you with the right kind of knowledge with 35 number of live projects, assignments, assessments, and of course those virtual labs, clubbed with strong career support like resume, mock, one-to-one guidance, mentorship, everything. Join us now to embark on this lucrative career in the domain of cybersecurity. Signing out, Arunava Mukherjee.